Hey, way to go on your last math lesson. I'm so proud of you. Let's look at our next one. Now this one is fun because we get to remember all the way back to whenever we were using our super silly alligators for less than, greater than, and equal to. Now today on your math lesson, we're going to use the words that go with the alligators, and then tomorrow you'll get to look at the alligators themselves with the actual signs. So let's think back and remember what they mean. Now when we use the is less than sign, he looked like this, and that meant that the number over here was smaller, less than the number over here. Now let's look at the next one, is greater than. That meant that the number on the left was way bigger than the number on the right, or just a little bit bigger. Remember we talked about how that even if it's just one number bigger, it's still greater than. And then our last one was our super silly open-mouthed alligator for equal to, which meant the number over here and the number over here were the exact same. So let's practice together today, and we're going to use our words is less than, is greater than, or is equal to on our lines. So 75 and 92. Is 75 less than 92, greater than 92, or equal to 92? Did you guess it? Way to go. It's great. 75 is less than 92. So we would write is less than. So then our problem would read 75 is less than 92. Is that true? Yes. So let's look at the next one. 88 is less than, greater to, or equal to 88. You got it. They're the same. So is equal to. So we're going to write is equal to. So let's read it. 88 is equal to 88. Is that looking good? I think so. Let's look at our last one. 35 is less than, greater than, or equal to 25. Which one is it? You got it. It's greater than. So we'll write is, if we can get our marker to work, here we go, is greater than. So 35 is greater than 25. True or false? It's true. Way to go. Thanks for doing that with me. I can't wait to see your work.